Fall Protection System explained. Did you know that falls are one of the leading causes of workplace injuries and fatalities? That's why a fall protection system is essential on any job site. What is a fall protection system? A fall protection system is designed to keep workers safe when working at height. It includes equipment like harnesses, anchors, lifelines, and lanyards. Step 1. Always secure the anchor point. Ensure the anchor point is stable and properly rated for the task. This is the foundation of your fall protection system. Step 2. Fit your harness properly. Wear your harness correctly. Straps should be snug, but not restrictive, with the D-ring centered on your back. Step 3. Choose the right fall arrest device. Select the right device for the job, like a self-retracting lifeline or shock-absorbing lanyard, to limit fall distance and impact. Inspect before you work. Always inspect your equipment for wear, damage, or defects before every use. Safety starts with preparation. Your life is worth it. Remember, fall protection is not just a requirement. It's a life-saving investment. Stay safe. Stay secure. Check, secure, protect. Subscribe for more safety tips and share this video to promote safety at work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel OHS Consultant, like and comment.